plenty of money going into the petrol bowsers at the moment, and I wonder what oil does next, Ainsley. The Australian government's halved the excise on fuel.
Yeah.
I wonder, will these service stations play ball and give us that back?
Why would you think?
Maybe just because I'm a conspiracy theorist.
Yeah. It's amazing that they've got that button that changes the prices when oil goes up before it's actually shipped and imported to Australia. But when those same prices come down, it seems months and months and months to find that button to reverse the prices. It's just
takes a heck of a long time to get that fuel to the Bowser then, doesn't
it? It does. It's a long slow ship from Saudi, isn't it? Or Russia.
Totally.
But here we have, and one of the things that, look, it has stabilized. Oil has stabilized. US oil, WTI, has stabilized just under the $100 mark. And that has stabilized because President Biden released reserves, and they do that to flood the market. They flood the market, and we can see the effects of that coming down on Thursday. And it's just one of those things. The other thing that they're saying that they've overestimated the US demand for oil at the moment. Now that's in stark contrast to UK oil demand, which is actually quite high because of temperatures, etc. But they're saying that the US estimations are off. They're too high. They've stabilized a little. Now, obviously, we still, again, like gold, really need some kind of stability with the Russian-Ukraine situation, because at the moment this chart is getting very close to really, really, really hard to trade. And I've got to a point where I just like, you can't. It's very fundamentally based, and what I'm saying is all it needs is somebody to make a comment and it turns around and goes the other way without any regard to a technical level. It will find the levels, it will bounce off those, as you can see here, as we had last week. But seriously, it's she's been really hard to trade. There is no decent setups, and lots of spinning tops towards all on Friday, where it just couldn't make a decision and didn't know which way it was going to go. So for the time being, at the moment, I am just sitting pat on this one, Geoff. I've got nothing more to say on it because we've had a week of the last couple of weeks have been really tough trading. No direction. I'm back down to consolidation, as you can see. Just like gold, it's just honky-dory, I guess.
Yeah, look, speaking not of oil, although it's not far away from oil, being close to Kurnell, I suppose. Well, it's not that close to Kurnell. But what person goes out in the ocean off Sydney in a dinghy yesterday?
Good question.
I think it was yesterday. I think the answer is probably a dead one at the moment. But yeah, have they found that person?
Look, there's a few people doing stupid things at the moment, and we've got very high tides, and it's and this is my sailing kicking in. We've got Easter. We're coming into Easter, so it'll be a full moon. So we're going into the waxing and the waning of the moon. So there's
that's what it's all about.
Mm-hmm. The oceans are playing havoc. The weather has been playing havoc, as you know, and people are just doing stupid things.
Yep. Well, as I said, it may have been near the oil refinery at Kurnell, but all I can say is get far from Kurnell.
Yeah. Unless you're going to Mascot, of course. That's plain.
That was far Kurnell. You got that right.
Yeah, got it. I was trying to actually dodge that one, but
I thought you might have been. No, but I can't help myself, you know.
I know. But yes, unfortunately, I've got nothing exciting to say about an oil chart, or that I have been excited about an oil or a gold chart this last week. It's just been very disappointing all around.
patience is a virtue, they tell me, and we've got to have plenty of it. Let's hope that all unravels come Tuesday morning. It probably won't tomorrow, but come Tuesday morning. We've got an RBA statement on Tuesday. May cause a few kerfuffles around the place, especially if Philip Lowe says, okay, maybe it's this year, not 2024. We'll see. Have a great week, eh?
Will do. You too. Thanks, everybody.
And thanks, Jules. Thanks for popping in. Thank you, everyone, for being in attendance. We look forward to your company in many of the shows throughout the week, which most are free. Enjoy your week and have a great trading time.